Isn't it amazing to see two people fall in love with each other? Hi, my name is Alok Rathod and I'm the director of The Doorbell. The Doorbell is a story about Vikram, who is a successful manager at a large multinational corporation. When Vikram meets Ria, a project manager at the same company, he couldn't help but fall in love with her. At the same time, Vikram's life gets more complicated due to his inability to express his love for Ria. The Doorbell really started when I took an economics course at Harvard University. I realized that in Western world, when people think of India, they think of illiteracy, poverty, and corruption. While these vices do exist, it's not the complete picture. Set in 2008 and in the city of Mumbai, The Doorbell is our attempt to show the side of India that is rarely depicted. The film explores themes such as love, friendship, regret, unemployment, and its impact on working class Indians. To achieve our vision, we have a team of highly skilled professionals. Dominic Chan is the director of photography. Dominic has an ability in not only capturing stunning landscapes, but also soulfully capturing human emotions. The lead actors and supporting cast have an extensive experience of working on a wide array of projects, ranging from Bollywood to dance to stage. So come with us on this exciting journey to bring together Vikram and Ria. Like, share, comment, donate if you can. Because if there's anything that this world needs more of, it's love. Make it happen.